Good morning, guys. Profitable myself every time. Good morning. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Good morning, everyone. Shots from life. Every setback. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping, guys. Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Destiny Star, good morning. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season. Good morning, everyone. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's get to 2K likes. Can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Profitable myself every time. Let's keep tapping. This week has been a very, very terrible one. We are running in a massive drawdown at the moment. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's get to 2K likes. We have series of losses this week. Series of losses. That is crazy. That's very crazy. Series of losses. Please, let's keep tapping us. I engage on BTC and BTC is not moving. BTC is not moving. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. 2K likes. We are running in massive drawdown at the moment on our VIP. In fact, this week, it has been a very terrible one. At the moment now. At the moment. So we don't know. Maybe we are going to end this week with profit, or we go see maybe in a drawdown we go get for this week. Melo Junior, good morning. How you doing, bro? You now go think say market just dey pursue me, say you to this week we no go gree for you. We'll be having LCS. Let's keep tapping, family.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, my brother.
Yes, where we dey look for, we don't see Anna.
Abi, where we don't dey look for a long time. Now we are seeing it.
You know they call.
Now we are seeing it. You can just imagine after waiting with all confirmation.
What I've concluded.
Yeah.
This week is half of what I'm risking. I will be risking for try this week.
In fact, it's crazy. It's crazy.
It's crazy.
It's crazy. I won't lie.
And no, funny enough, it's not only for our side.
I know. I know.
I say manipulation did this thing. Now they read manipulation with this one.
I know. Many people. I'm seeing people on their listing as well. I'm seeing, but
he get trade where I won't enter. I just thought say cat. As I chop this
BTC.
We don't chop SF. You don't even remember at all. Say we chop SF for B98.
Yeah, let me go there, sir. No, I remember. Where is it? I did not post it.
He didn't post it on the this thing.
Eh.
He didn't post it.
This one now.
Yes.
Okay, I did not post it. Okay,
You don't post
eh.
that we chop SL.
It has been crazy this week, man. And today is Wednesday. And seriously, anything can still happen. That's just the
No,
gospel
anything can
truth.
happen. Anything can solve.
We have
But
today,
I will
tomorrow,
just,
and next tomorrow.
Because of the way the market is, I just advise people to risk half
flow.
of what they are risking before.
I think it's better now. Just to like pick up small.
Whether it goes well or whether it doesn't go well.
Seriously.
If you just risk, yes. Because I went on when he hit SL on that this thing. You know, it was like 2 SL yesterday. I mean 3.
Yeah.
3 SL yesterday. So I now went online. All those people that used to trade the river, I was looking at this thing. It's the same thing. They chop SL.
We dey chop am. I'm serious. We chop am this week. But no, we never still know. Maybe we go come back. That is the main thing.
Yes. You know we go still come back. I pray that I know.
But it's crazy.
Have to re-strategize.
Yeah. So let us go through them so that people will know that we dey chop SL. No be say we know dey chop. Please, let's keep tapping. Hey, Julius, what's up? Good morning. Good morning. So look at this trade now. We chop this SL. I want to take it one by one. Euro USD. We chop SL. We wanted to buy yesterday. You know, I told you here that once we have the break here, that we're going to engage for the buy, but we did not. We chop SL here. Okay, no, let us even count everything. How many drawdown that we have now? How many drawdown that we have? Guys, I say you should leave here. Go and meet your mommy. All right, so let us count, guys. So, let's count together. Please go to 151s. I'm not going to any 151s. You guys are not tapping until we get to 2k likes before we start. I just want to count our drawdown that we have now. You all know how we do it now. Once we start live, we should all click. Let's get to 2k like before we do anything. So now this is first SL 1 minus 1. Let's count together. Euro USD minus 2. This guy 2 drawdown. Here we have minus 3. Okay. Step 200. 3% drawdown now. Step 200. Here we have minus 4. This one minus 4. This one 4. That is back to 0. So we are back to 0 now. Back to 0. Let's check. We have to SL here. That is minus 2. Which one did I check now? Okay, 90. Minus 2, V50. Minus 2. This one, we close it halfway. We closed this trade halfway yesterday. As you can see, that's why I put break even here. So that is minus 2.5. Minus 2.5. 25. Minus 2.5. Minus 3.5. This guy we had SL here. Minus 3.5. Then this 75 minus 3.5. That is the drawdown that we have now. That's why I said it's crazy. So here we have minus 4.5. This one minus 5.5. Then this one plus 2% in 2 points. Let's just say like about 2.5 in profit. So we are down to 2.5. Am I correct? 5.5 minus 2. Okay, that's 3.5 drawdown. 3.5 drawdown now. 3.5. Let's check BTC. 3.5. Here we have 4.5 in loss. So you can imagine in loss 4.5. in drawdown at the moment. 75, 4.5. Do we take trade here? 4.5. Okay, no trade here. This one is still going. 4.5. 150. Do we take trade here? 4.5. Okay, so I think that is all. So if this one hits SNL, that is going to be 5.5. All right. So that is on drawdown. On drawdown. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. So if this guy hits TP, okay, and this guy hits TP, I'm just assuming, because until we have this thing 5.5. So if this one to hit TP, then we will be down to about 1% in loss. Okay, but let's see, maybe we can come back. Okay, let's see, maybe we can come back. At least I think this kind of thing has happened before too. This kind of thing has happened. Let's get to 2K likes, please. This kind of thing has happened that till Wednesday we were in massive drawdown and we came back with profit again. So anything can happen, all right? But at least so far so good. Hey, thank you, Democrats. At least so far so good. 13 weeks in a row. That is crazy. So at least we suppose don't even get some weeks we go dey very bad now. You understand? But we will not give up. We will still keep trying our best. All right, we still keep trying our best. So at the carrying along, how will they go on our VIP? Not be all the time the thing is sweet. They don't sweet for us for the past 13 weeks. So this week now, at the moment, we are running in massive drawdown. Okay, but let's see. Maybe we can come back. We have a trade running here, and we have a trade running on BTC. This BTC, when BTC was actually pushing yesterday, I thought it would just continue the push like that. I'm like, why is BTC going up and down like this? You know, it was just going high, low, high, low.
BTC do me well, huh?
I know now, just to make your this thing, you know, say until market eat my TP before I do anything here. Market got here now.
Yes, now.
It got here.
I reached that place. I was already on above my target.
Above your target, But me, until it get to TP, and now so we go leave him. So if this guy hit TP, then we are good at least. But you can imagine what BTC has been doing throughout yesterday. You know, look at this. So let's get to 2K likes. Let's get to 2K likes, please. Let's keep tapping. Then this 75 actually is pushing well, gradually, slowly. It's pushing slowly. So let me see, maybe we can do break even now, because if not done break even on this trade, I just want to be careful with our break even. So what we have here is we have a push, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. I don't want market to come back here and push up again. That is what I want to avoid. Let's see the 4 hours. Please, let's keep tapping. So the 4 hours is actually pushing well. Okay. So guys, let us do our break even on this trade. All right. So let me tell my guys to do break even. 75 SL it. Yes, now let's go there. I don't count them with our losing trade now this morning. I don't count them now. Imagine the trade that we took this morning, first trade this morning. I don't count this one now. It was counted with the essay that we have. It was counted. I don't know if you miss anything. You guys should know me now. I don't know if you miss anything. I don't count all this one together. So this was the one that we took 3 trade on this guy. It was only this one that gave us TP. SL here. So it's crazy. It's crazy. So I will post this one now as our SL, and we do break even on that this thing. So let me quickly tell my guys, please, let's keep tapping. All right, so I just did my break even on that trade. So I've posted it now on the VIP. So we've done break even on 75 now. So this guy, hopefully, and I wanted to even sell from here this morning. Buy. I wanted to buy this guy from this area this morning, but let it just go. Let's leave it. I hope it's not going to take us out. Season getting there. Okay, so we are on 2K. Thank you so much, guys. All right, so let us start for this morning. Let's start for this morning. So which prayer do you want us to check? So we're going to start in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit. God should help us throughout today. In Jesus' name. Amen. Are we ready for the challenges? Are we ready for more SLs? We need to be ready. Okay? We need to be ready. All right. So which one are we starting with this morning? So we have bias on V10. Let's go check. All right. So this guy, he later got to the TP1 that I wanted to get to, but he did not come back to tag us in. This guy did not come back to tap us in. Oh, I don't like this kind of. This thing is bloody. Let me clear and come back.
So Garnacho came out and said he has
remove this thing, then come back again. So I think it's clear now. All right. So here we go on V10. On V10 for us. So let's go to weekly time frame. Let's see what we have on weekly time frame. Because I've never experienced manipulation in these synthetics. So all the asset that we are having, I don't know, maybe I will call it manipulation. I don't know. Maybe na manipulation I go call them. I don't know. I don't think it's manipulation. It just, that's markets for you. So we have a massive drawdown to this area. We have this lower high, low, high, lower low, another high rejecting from this guy. We have higher low here. So we expect this guy to push up here again to come and reject from this WR right here. Okay. This is where I want market to come and get to. Alright, that is our bias. Okay. So by the time you go to your daily time frame, okay, so on our daily time frame, you see that we have a push up, push down. Okay, so from this area now, that we have this tweezer bottom, is it tweezer bottom they call it, this two candle. Okay, now we have this bearish candle right here, rejecting from this resistance. But at the moment, this is the candle that we're having that is trying to break above this area. So if you look at this, our daily support here, market broke it, right? Market broke this area, which is our ideal. Okay, now you see the way market break it, market rejects rather. So now this candle is actually breaking to the upside. So how do you think we can engage? We go to 4 hours and see how we can engage on this kind of buy. All right, so this is our 4 hours time frame. So I want to see this guy keep pushing to the upside. This here, that is my bias. I want this guy to keep buying to the upside. But before we can keep buying, you know, this is a zone right here that I want market to get to, which market has gotten there for the TP1, if you remember. So this TP1 is going to be our what? Our 4 hour right now. That's our 4 hour. So what do we expect on this our 4 hour resistance area? So what I want to see is I want to see market break it above. All right. So if market can successfully do what? Break above, then pull back, then we continue our buy from there. You understand? Then we continue our buy from there. Please, let's keep tapping. Democrats, thank you so much. Thank you. So let's go more. Let's go further. From this area, we have what? A nice push to the upside, giving us engulfing candle. Look at this bullish engulfing candle. All right. And it's giving us a rejection from this area. Look at this area. It's giving us a rejection from this area. So market might not come back to all this area that I'm actually open for. So what I will do now is to mark out this guy as our 4-hour what? 4-hour support area, which is our 4S. Okay. So if market can come back to this area, is a good place for us to engage. For what? For a buy. All right. For what? For a buy. Now we have this rejection. What do I do next? I go to my 1-hour time frame. So this is my 1-hour time frame. So if market actually wants to buy, okay, this is the area I will use for my continuation. This guy here. Come in, let me zoom this thing. Which is our 1HS. Okay, which is our 1HS. So I'll be looking forward to buy from this point, this area, and SL is going to be below this guy, and we go to the top. All right. And if you look at what we have on this 1 hour, I'm on this network here. See how this thing called a blow. I hope you guys can manage. It's the network. Oh. If network is bad, this will not go. It will not be clear. I don't know. It's the same thing. Okay, let's go ahead. So now on this 1 hour time frame, from this area that we have this our order block here, you see that we have a push. This is an inducement leg. We have this higher high. I want to see market come back here before we continue our buy. You understand? Before we continue our buy. What? Where's your mommy? Who said you should cook? Come on, go and drop it, Joe. You want to cook? Who can? Please, let's keep tapping. So now, where market is here, I know many of you will want to say, okay, let us look for opportunity on lower time frame so that we can sell to this guy. I will advise you don't do that. Okay, I will advise you don't do that. Allow the market to come to this area before we can engage. Okay, so the highest thing we can do is we just put our alert right there. We create an alert so that anytime market gets there, then we're going to engage from our buy. All right, we'll wait patiently for market to come there. Then we're going to long it from there. Okay, so that is that for this V10S. Synthetic, what's up? Good morning. Which index? Look at the name here. Look at it here. Can you see it here? V10. That is V10. All right, so let's go to okay. Just here. Every time. So this our 150S. It might hit our SL. Let's check. And if market wants to reverse, then that is actually cool. So the only zone that can actually hold this guy is this area. Is this support area. That is where we are having the rejection now, which is our what? Our 1HS. That's our 1HS. So if market can pull up from there, all right, then we are good. But if market doesn't pull up, we might have another SL on this trade. Okay. So which pair do you want us to check? Which pair do you want us to check, family? To the goal is V50S. V51S. All right, so we're looking at this guy. This is V50S. We have a massive drop. After this massive drop, can you see the market is trying to do some pullback to the upside? So we have this area, okay, as our what? TDMS. As our TDMS, okay, which the direction has actually changed. All right, market reject from this support area and we have a push. So now market is trying to do some pullback. So let's go to our monthly time frame. So now here we go on monthly time frame. So you see where market is right here is area where we're supposed to buy. Normally, okay, when you have a massive break like this, we expect some what? Some push to the upside. That is what we expect. All right, but with what this guy is actually doing, there's high probability that market can do what? Can come back to this support area. Okay, that it can come back to this support area. And mind you, we have a consolidation market that has been going on here. Don't forget. Okay, so this is a consolidation market, and if this guy should break in, there's possibility that market might drop. So we're going to our weekly time frame now. Now, what can we see? Can we see that on our weekly time frame, this guy has actually dropped inside here? It dropped inside the range because this is a range here where we have the high, lows, high, low, highs, low, high, higher low. We have a break to the upside. So if market should drop to the downside, then that means this area is not going to be what? A fake out. Because market is supposed to use this area to start pushing to the upside. That is what is supposed to happen. Okay, but if you check very well, all right, you see the market is coming back into the range. It has already come back into this range, all right, trying to pull back from this area, trying to pull back from this guy. But guess what? If this weekly candle should break in again, that means this guy is going to drop for more sales. Then we are going to be having a massive sell to the support area. That is what I'm going to do. Okay, so now let us zoom. and look at the structure that we have when market break out from this range. So when market break out here, we have a push. It created this low, lower high. Market break it down. Change of character happened to this lower low, a lower high rejecting from this guy. Then we have another drop. When we have this drop, market rejects here again. So let us mark out this nearest rejection here. From this, our support that becomes resistance. This is our weekly resistance. All right, can you see that area? So, mind you, I told you that if market should break in, it's coming down. So this leg is not going to be what? Inducement leg. It's actually an inducement leg. This guy is an inducement leg for market to come back here and buy again. Okay, and use that area to buy again. So we're going to capitalize on the structure that is going on around here for the sell. Now let's go to daily time frame. So this is what we have on daily. So let me reduce this guy. Now if you look at this, our daily, you see the market has given us what? M pattern. It has given us what? M pattern, giving us equal highs here. Equal highs here. All right. So this neckline, market has broke out. So one market to come back here, then we continue our sell. So let us zoom and mark out this our what? This area. Now if you look at this area closely, you realize the market give us a rejection on daily. So this is our DL. Please let's keep tapping. This is our DL. Okay. Then we go to our what? 4-hour time frame. Mind you, we have this rejection from this daily resistance. Market pull down, right? 4 hours time frame now. Mind you, that is the neckline. Aha. So if you look at what we have here, we have a nice support area here. The market bounce back. Let's us zoom. You see this area, which is an order block area. You see that many people go chop SL for here. That is why I said this thing, You see this market, it gets to be. So this area is a good area for a buy. Because market push up, it created this inducement leg. We have the higher high. Market came down to take it out, and it gave us a nice tap. This is where they could have engaged. And look at their confirmation. Look at this confirmation here. You see the confirmation. Bullish engulfing, they take their buy, push SL, market take them out. That is crazy. So now, what we wait for now is for market to come back to this area. Then we sell. Okay, so from that point is where we now be looking for what? For a sell on 4 hours time frame. So that sell, we are going to hold our sell all the way. If market should come back there, I'm holding my sell all the way to the support area. All right, that is what I'm going to do. Which pair, please? That is it. A good see. Can you see? Okay, so we're going to wait patiently for market to do that. So V25, somebody is asking BTC. V25, we are on buy on BTC since yesterday. BTC has been crazy. This is BTC here. Before we go to V25, this BTC here. You see that BTC has been consolidating here. Has been consolidating. So now the best time to engage for this BTC again. If I want to engage for another buy, all right, I want to see a break from this area, which is my 1HR. I want to see a what? A break. So now let's go to our daily. We are going to V25 for just be patient. With the market reverse on BTC. So now, why am I buying this BTC? It's very simple. Very, very simple. Now we have what? Lows right here. This is a liquidity right here. Market came here to tap right here, rejecting nicely, giving us what? A CRT right here. So this CRT is here to complete, which I'm still seeing it completing. And guess what? I'm seeing this guy getting to this our weekly resistance. So let's go to weekly first before we come back to this daily. Now look at this. On our what? On our weekly, answer pair. So we have this our resistance level, okay, the market created, and we have this nice rejection. So you see this area on a weekly time frame. This is where I want BTC to get to on a weekly time frame. This nearest bus stop, that's the nearest bus stop, which is our WR. Okay, which is our WR. So now let's now go back to the daily. That's my bias on V51S. V51S. So we have a zone here that I want market to get to. So this buy the way we dey buy on BTC. If I see that BTC has broken above that level, I'm going to extend my TP. I will tell my guys to extend the TP to this area. Yes. So now, like I said on daily, we have a nice rejection here before market push up. So when market push up, you see that we have this candle again that came back to mitigate this our support area, and a tap on this DS as well, and a reject. It closed like indecision, and this candle gave us a bullish candle closing above this candle. So yesterday candle closed above this candle. So I want today candle to actually close above all this candle. It might close above here, then the following candle anyhow. So my bias is keep buying. So if you go to 4 hours time frame, you see that what BTC has been doing so far around there. My BTC created a support level here, a rejection, support, a rejection, support, a rejection. So if you zoom, this is where market has been consolidating. This is support level and it's giving a rejection at the moment. Okay, but on 1 hour, and this is the target we're using, right? This area as a target. But on 1 hour, if you go to 1 hour time frame, okay, we have this beautiful trend line right here that market has been respecting. Okay, and look at this 1 hour support area that market created again. So market BTC has not been leaving all these virgin zones. It's not leaving them at all. This guy is what market is likely to come and use again. So market has been consolidating this area now. Okay, BTC can still come back there to use, which is our what? 1HS. So if market, can you say that market is not consolidating in here? So if market should now break above this area, I'm going to add another position, and this our TP is going to be, we are going to extend this our TP. we are going to extend this our TP to this area. We will be getting about 1 to 4 point something. That's what we're going to do on this trade. You understand? So once I see the market has broken this area, I will engage for another buy, and we're going to increase our TP for this particular trade. So we see what is actually going to happen at the end of the day. So V25. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping, family. Babe, please let me do my own, please. All right, so let me clear this chart and let us start this one from the beginning. Let's clear. Let's start from beginning so that we will be on. All right, so this is V25. As you can see down here, this is a V25. Look first, then leap. Yeah, of course. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Celebrity. It's been a while. How far? Well done, my brother. So this is 3 months. As you can see, market give us a nice push down, then push. Then this is where market is at the moment, right? So to me, I have a zone right here, which is our TDMS. Okay, which is our TDMS. We have a massive push to the upside. All right, and the market has given us a nice CLT here. So there's possibility that this CLT might complete the range. That's one. Monthly time frame. So this is what we have on monthly time frame. You see where market is where market can actually reverse. Because if you mark your fib level from this low to this high, this is where market can use to reverse. That is one. So how do you think we can engage? Like I told you, I said I want market to get to this our TDMS. That's it. Okay. So take note of how this candle close. We have a bearish candle close above here. This candle close above here, and below. Then we have this bullish candle. All right. And now market is giving us this bearish at the moment. Okay. So this area is a very strong area that market is what has been consolidating inside this zone. So let's see what we have on weekly now. So this is what we have on weekly. So this is to tell us that we should just go for sell. Like I told you, this is the zone I mark. Can you see this line? Look at this guy. You see, so that is where market is consolidating. Market is consolidating inside that zone. So let us take it out. Now, what we're now going to mark is our what? This our weekly resistance level. Okay, as our what? WR. So when we have this guy, is this thing straight? Okay. So we have this. Market give us a push, giving us a lower low, breaking below this guy. And now market push up again, breaking above this level. Breaking above doesn't mean anything. All right. Market is still respecting this guy. Can you see that area? So this is what our weekly resistance level. So that other block there, market is still respecting it. Okay, this other block. So now let's go to our daily time frame. So on our daily time frame, you see that daily time frame has already given us a bearish engulfing candle. So from here, this is the target we are targeting. Market has already given us a bearish engulfing candle. So how can we engage this bearish engulfing? How can we now engage? How can we now engage on this kind of trade? We need to wait for what? Pullback. Then we go for a sell. So let's go to 4 hours time frame now. This market has really gone far. I won't lie, it has really gone far. So what we have on this our 4 hours, right, is we have this area, this high that market created, another high that market created here, like equal highs. Then this low is being broken. Okay, so when market break it, we have a nice rejection from it. Okay, we have a nice rejection from this guy and it dropped massively. So the only thing we can actually do on this guy is using our fib level. So we don't know where market will be reversing from on this V25. So if market should reverse from where it is here, okay, we use our 50% level, which is around there. You're gonna be taking a short, something like this. S is going to be somewhere here. Then we go all the way down. Okay, then we go all the way down. So this is my top-down analysis on V25 1S. That is a top-down. So if market can actually pull back there, then we are good. You just go for sell from there. All right. So if there's any pullback, guys, you can call my attention to this area so that we can engage our what? Our sell. So that is the bias. Please, let's keep tapping. So which pair are we going for again? Which pair? Please, guys, this BTC, I don't want to forget to. And is there news today? Who can confirm that for us? Is there a news? Is there a news? V15. Okay. V15. Let's go check. Season getting in. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into praise. No red for the news. Okay, thank you so much, my brother. How have you been, FX Doctor? How have you been? So this is V15 1S. Okay, first thing first, pick your fib from the low to the high. Where market day? Market day 50% area. So where market is around here, there's a possibility that market might take a while before it will start distributing. It might take a while before it will start distributing. Okay, so let's go straight to our monthly. So on our monthly time frame, market created a support level here, rejecting one, and we have a rejection coming from here to rejecting. So let us mark them out. Number one, this area, when market broke this area, look at the rejections, which is our MR. Boom. Okay. And now this is the recent low. This support area as our what? MS. Boom. Okay. So when market give us this rejection, it created a resistance level here. We're going to mark them as well as our what? MR. All right. So now let us see. So inside this range, something must shall happen. It's either we have a break, continuation, or a break to the downside, continuation. And if you look at what happened here, market has already mitigated this support here, rejecting. Market has already mitigated this resistance here, rejecting here. What is wrong with you guys? Okay, on both sides, on the high and the low. So that has shown to us that market is consolidating. All right. So when you go to your weekly now, market is consolidating. That's just it. So yeah, on our weekly time frame, can you see that we have what? A bearish, is a nice support here, and we have a nice resistance level here. All right. So if market is consolidating, what do? If market get to the resistance, you sell. Market get to support, you buy. That's a simple analogy, right? So what do we do next? We've seen that market has gotten to a resistance level that can push the market to the downside. So we go to our daily time frame now. So this is our daily. All right. If you check this daily, you realize that we have what? Our breakout from this daily trend line. Let me take it out and draw a new one. Let's use the body to body. This is our what? DT. Okay. Can you see that we finally have a breakout from this trend line? And before we have the breakout, we have equal highs that market created here. And this is a neckline, right? So it's a good place to engage for what? For a sell. So now let's go to our candles. So this is what we have on candles. Okay. So we see that market is respecting this our daily support here, and we have a zone here. And like I told you, let us quickly mark out the zone for targets. Okay, which is going to be this MS area. All right. So if you take a sell from here, SA here, TP here is very, very good. So let's go back to that weekly. Why this thing no straight now? So now where I'm going to use for this target is this area. Okay, that is going to be the what? The target. Let me name it as target. Boom. Then we go straight to that our daily. Aha. Can you see that it is around this our MS? Okay, it's still around that our what? Our MS. So let me just take it out so that it won't look rough. So let's zoom. So market has broke out successfully from the what? From the trend line. And now this area, market is likely to what? Disrespect this our daily support. Market is still consolidating here, mind you. Can you see? So on the daily time frame, we now have a what? A consolidation market. So this consolidation market can actually be a babe, where am I own now? So a bearish rectangle is something like this. When you have a push, the market is consolidating like this, and you have another drop. That's what they call a bearish rectangle. Okay, let me bring it down. This is what they call a bearish rectangle. All right, you have a push down. Let me draw it with this thing here. When you have a push, a market starts consolidating like this. A market do what? Market now break again. That is what a bearish rectangle. This is what they call a bearish rectangle. All right. So we might actually have that on this our daily time frame. And if you go to 4 hours, let's see how it looks like on 4 hours. Maybe it's going to look more clearer. So beautiful. So this is the 4 hours. Okay. So as you can see, this 4 hours is very, very clean, and I love what I'm seeing here. And it's very good and safe to engage for yourself on this trade. But the main thing is, I don't know. I'll first check the price. If the price is not too much, if you go short around there, okay, and SL is here, SL is here, and TP is here, you're going to be getting about 2 points something right there. So market might be consolidating here. That is that. But let me quickly check the price if it is something that we can take. Okay, so it's about $23. Okay, it's about $23. All right, it's about $23. So let's go back to that daily, because this guy is likely to break it. Okay, so I will advise that you should take this trade now. Take your sell right now. Let me put the SL here. Mind you, this is 4 hours time frame. Take your sell now. One, 2,899.677. CP. Make sure you put your SL where I put it to. Your SL must be there. Your SL must be there. Because market, I told you that market is consolidating inside this range. So your SL must be there. So let me do the one for one smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into passion. So this is V151S. Let me go and post this one now. V151S. Please, let's keep tapping. V151S. Let's keep tapping. I'm coming. I'm just posting, okay? Just say, go and return that thing, please. Go and return that thing. That thing, go and return it. Oh my God, so you'll be commenting on the YouTube. Ah, God. Please, I'm coming, sir. I'm so sorry. Please, let's keep tapping. This YouTube here, I don't understand. It's not showing. Okay, let me try something. Let me see what I can do to this YouTube. So that I can be seeing comments.
Shots don't lie. Keep your
I'm coming, oh, V50. I'm coming.
Every setback builds a strong lead. Every setback builds a strong lead.
Are you selling something? What asset are you? What, sir? Are you selling something?
Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
This YouTube, it is well. The comments there, I'm not seeing the comments. It is once in a while I do see comments, so I don't know. All right, so let's go check V50. All right, V50, no problem. So we have a trade running on this guy now, V15S. Okay, don't worry about the comment. It's not necessary. Okay. V50. Where's V50? Yeah. You see this guy? This was the one we closed this trade on break even. We closed this trade on break even. Little SL there, because I know the market is going to start pushing up from there. So let us quickly check what is going on. Let's quickly see what is going on. All right, so on our monthly time frame, we have a massive drop breaking below this guy, and we have equal highs here, rejecting from here, okay, and market break all the way down. From here, wait to consult. When market break to this area, we have bullish engulfing candle with a strong momentum, okay, and now this is the present candle that we have. At least with this candle, I want to see another candle form to the upside. All right, for market we surely do some pullback, right? So let's go to weekly. Market will definitely do some pullbacks. Okay, so now here we have this nice this range here. Let me show you something. This is what they call a rising wedge. Where's my this thing here? Let me show you rising wedge here. Every time. Cool. Can you see that? You see the reason why market is trying to reject. Okay, because of this rising wedge. All right, so let us zoom and see. So that means market wants to. What's it concern me down? Nothing concern me. Give me my food, Joe. Give me my food. Nothing concern me. So we have this nice resistance level that is giving us this rejection. All right, then market pull back to this area, trying to do some pullback again. So let's go to daily time frame. Every time. So now this is what we now have on daily time frame. You see that we have a zone that is aligning with that area, which is this guy. Let me show you. You see this area? Okay, that is our what? Our daily support area, DS. Boom. Okay, that is the DS. That is aligning with what? That our rising wedge trend line. With that our rising wedge pattern. Okay, so this is an order block area that's supposed to hold the market. Okay, but it failed. All right, why did it fail? Some people will say because it is actually an inducement leg. Okay, that's also what some people will say. Everybody with their own way of what, but it is another block. There's another block there. So it failed there, the breakout. It now becomes a breaker. All right, so that was the zone the market is trying to use to do some pullback. So if you look at this, our rising wedge, market broke out the rising wedge right here. It broke out from it, and now market is ready to start pushing to the upside. All right, and what is the confirmation that market is giving us on this daily? It's trying to give us what we call morning star. So if this guy close bullish, we have a what? A morning star. We have a morning star. So we expect markets to start doing this to the upside, to break this high, okay, to start doing this to the upside. Are we clear? Price is using that zone as a breaker block. Yes. Okay. So What do we need to do? Let us zoom. So all this area, market is likely to take them out. So let us take it out. It's not necessary for now. What necessary is, let us go back to that weekly. So in this kind of push, what is actually necessary, I think, is this high, and that is where market is rejecting from. You see this high, market rejects from here before, which is our what? Weekly resistance level. Okay, that was what pulled the market back to this area. That was what pulled the market back. So for market to do this, then there's possibility that we might have more push to the upside. So let's go to daily. So on our daily time frame, I will expect market to get to this our MR, which is this area, this resistance area here. That is where I want market to get to. So let us reduce this guy. This our WR will reduce. Oh yeah, guy, pull it back, zip it and drop it. Jason, you are the one sending me, Mabi. Eh? Are you the one sending me? To do what? Oh yeah, zip it and return it. So from here, we should now be looking for what? Buying opportunity. So let's go to 4 hours time frame. So you see that 4 hours has given us what? A nice rejection, which is what? This is like a tweezer bottom. We have this bullish candle, another bullish candle trying to form there. So if we engage for a buy here, how is it going to look like? I mean, I'm talking about the what is it called? If we engage for a buy and our SL is like this, how the thing will be? You know, it's going to be a swing trade. So this is 4 hours time frame, something like this. So I'm gonna be checking the price. If this thing is not that volatile, then we can take it. So let me first check the price first. 4 hours and 50. Okay, so it's not actually much. Please, let's keep tapping. It is not actually much. It's giving us about $17 thereabouts. So let me see let me take this one out. Okay, so we go for buy right now. Let us just make it this 120. This significant area for profit.
Let the market flow. One good trade can change it all. You know.
So give me a minute, let me enter, guys. All right, so I'm in now. SL is here. That is the SL price. So we go in for the buy, guys. All right, safe, which is a V50. Okay, V50. Please, let's keep tapping.
Patience pays. Let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into
So we are not taking any trade again for today because of the only trade that we have. So we see how everything goes. So this one will only be posting it on the VIP. Please, let's keep tapping. V91 is okay. I will check for you now. Okay. So this has been posted. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. One good trade can change it all, you know. When we feel seasons getting in, one smart move can change your life. Just say be careful. Be very, very careful. Babe. You dey vex for me. Èmi mo ránṣẹ́ ni, babe. Give me my food now. Please, let's keep tapping. All right, 91s. Please, let's keep tapping. Chat don't lie. Let's go to 3 months. These are trades that we took for this week. Wait, chop us. Wait, chop us. Wait, chop our SL. All right. So according to this, all right, we have a high, we have a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. So market is trying to do some lower high again. So let's go to monthly time frame. On our monthly, you can see that we have a consolidation market that happened around here before we have this impulsive move to the upside. So market giving us this impulsive move, there's probability that market can still come back to this area. But looking at this guy, okay, you see all this area, Hmm? You see all this area is area that we need to be very, very careful with, because of this area, key area, then this key level area. So all these key areas, until market close above this guy to the upside, then we can have the mind to say, okay, let us keep going for the what? For the buy. All right. So because what market is trying to do here is consolidating around here. So let us zoom. Now, looking at this bullish candle, where is this guy reacting from? Okay, it's actually reacting from this area. Okay, it's reacting from this support here, which is this bullish candle. So we might actually have some pullback to the downside before we continue having this buy. So let's go to weekly JC. Oh yeah, go and bring 2 spoons.
I don't need. Don't worry.
Go and bring 2 spoons.
Don't worry. Why you?
Go and bring. I tell him.
Why you?
Go and bring 2 spoons.
Cough. Oh my choking.
Kole choke me. Just
eat it.
He no fit choke me. He no fit yo. Thank you. He no fit. You don't chop your own. Let me eat in peace too. So yeah, we have equal lows here. Okay, we have equal lows around here. We have this high that give us the change of character. Market break this high as well to the upside. Okay, so even though if market wants to reverse, you see this area is where market supposed to come use. And don't forget that this area, this leg here, is an inducement leg for market to come and use this area for the sell. Okay, is an inducement leg for this other block here. Market push down, lower what? Then we will have this low. We want market to come and take this high out and do what? And sell. So another thing, this inducement leg actually, this lows here is an inducement leg for this area. So market can decide to use this resistance level to sell. That's it. It can decide. So on a weekly time frame, at least I know that okay, I still want market to push up to this guy. Okay, so why do we look for a buy here? Market take us out. I won't tell you like market take us out on a buy around here. Okay, but we should still be looking for what? More buying opportunity, because when market created this high here, it got rejected with this guy. This guy was rejecting. All right, so I want to see continuation. So now yesterday candle, last week candle, why are you disturbing your this boy now? He just finished eating. I will give you guys punishment too. You want to do exercise. So now we have this bearish candle that pretend last week, and it gave us a nice CLT. And this CLT has actually complete to 50% of this candle range. It has complete 50% already. Okay, so let's go to our daily. Please, let's keep tapping. So you see where market is here. You see where market is. All this push, the market is pushing to the upside. I don't want to believe this guy is ready for the buy. If you go for a buy, my manipulate and still drop again. Mind you, this is a consolidation market that we have. Market has pulled back to the consolidation market for the pullback. It might give us opportunity to sell. Now, let us look at where this guy is actually rejecting from, this level. Let's check. Okay. So we have a zone here actually. we have a zone here, all this area. So let us mark out this range. Let us mark out the whole zone here. Let us mark it out and see what is going on around there. So you see, so all this area is a dangerous zone. You don't understand what I'm saying? You see all this area that market consolidates. Market is trying to do the same thing around here. Okay, market is what doing the same thing around here. So it's dangerous. It's very dangerous. You get opportunity for a sell here and you take your sell, market can take you out. You take a buy, market can pull back and take you out. So the best thing is this kind of trade is allowing this guy to break above this hour DR. To break, after break, you take a buy to this area. If market break this area, you continue. This is going to be very, very good. So this area that market is rejecting from is actually coming from where? From the support area right here. It's a very strong support zone. So you can take opportunity for the buy from that area, okay, to what? To this area and stay out. But it is already gone. All right, market is already pushing. It's already pushing. So what we cannot do is, if you go on lower time frame, if you see opportunity for a buy, of course we cannot do that. So what we have here is market give us a, hey, oh my god, what did I do? After this one, you guys will give me about few minutes so that I can quickly eat this my food before it get cold. So on this daily, you know, we have imbalance in here, but there's a key level which is a daily support. That's where market is reversing from, giving us a nice CRT here too. Okay, so we have a bullish candle now, this bullish candle. So let's go to 4 hours. All right, so as it is on our 4 hours, market is already giving a bullish candle here. All right, so if market can actually do some pullback to 50%, take your buy to this area. All right, that is what you can actually do on this guy. Okay, that's what you can do on this guy. So that is my bias. Wait for market. You can mark your fib level for market to push back like 50%. Take your trade to the resistance here. Take your trade to the resistance. 50% from this low to this high. Take your trade to this high. That is the best thing that you can do. Okay, please let's keep tapping. What is going on this BTC? BTC is still in our consolidation market. It's still here. So the one that want to eat our SL, hey, let's see before I eat. The one that want to eat our SL. Okay, it's still respecting that area. Look at that. Market is still respecting this support area. If market should respect and it push up, then we are safe. And then we are safe. So let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. So these are the trades that we took now. This 50 and 15S. So give me minutes. Let me quickly eat, guys. He's fighting with the SL.
Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset. Every
Babe. Babe.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the
You guys come and join me.
into priceless. Break the earth, profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run.
Oh, yeah, come and take you.
The race ain't over till the
Come and take
goal
now.
is
Okay, what's
won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless. Break the earth, profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless heights. Ratio to profitable mindset every time. lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless. Break the earth, profitable mindset every time. Charts don't lie, keep your vision clear. Every setback builds a stronger year. Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near. One smart move can change your life.
Change your life.
Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Rush your
Oh, I am back. I'm back. I'm back. I am filled up right now. I am filled up right now. I think I got a strength right now. We are, oh my God, we are running in massive drawdown. That means that is what they call SLs. We are running in massive drawdown SLs on our, as in, it is crazy, guys. It has been so crazy. But seriously, anything can happen. We might come back in profit. Today's Wednesday. We might come back in profit. No matter what. So, that's the kind of vibe I want us to have. NAS V50. Which one is NAS V50? Okay, NAS 50. NAS V50. Alright, so which pair are we going for? We are not taking any trade again. We are just going to analyze. We're just going to analyze. The only trade that we want to take is this BTC I'm looking at. Once I have a break, if this BTC should push up, okay, broke above this area, I will first increase this our TP to this our WR, and I'm going to have position here to the upside. That is the only thing we're going to do. You understand? So V10, okay, V10. I think we took a trade of V10. No trade of V10, yeah? What is V10? Okay. Yeah. Every setback without you. Okay, look at this. Let's go to daily. We analyzed this one this morning, and I told you that we will be going for buys. Why are we going for the buy? Let's go to weekly time frame. Now this is our weekly time frame. Okay, I told you the market is bearish, right? We have a lower low, lower highs, low high, higher low. So this higher low, you see the market has taken this low out, then market has not rejected from this resistance level. That gives us the buyers that want to see more push to the upside to this area. Are we clear? So if you go to your daily, This is what we have on daily time frame. Okay, if you mark out your your trend line from the eye here this way, this is what our DT. That is the daily trend line. So this daily trend line can serve as our target. I don't know if you are getting it. It's going to serve as our what? Our target. Okay, it's going to serve as our target. So if you are taking a buy here, trend line is the target. Okay, so now let's zoom. What do we have on this our daily? Market took out this low. We have a change of character here. High, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Market take this inducement leg out. It came back here to tap in on this support area, and now we have what, like a tweezer bottom. Okay, this guy, and now market is giving us a bullish candle at the moment. So what we want to see is, we want to see a pullback to this area and we buy. So if you go to your on this daily time frame, when market tapping here for the buy, we have a level here the market can decide to come and use before it will start buying. So two things are likely to happen. So let me mark out this area first, guys, so that you understand. This support area, we have a support area here. Sorry. We have this support area the market created, our D what? DS. After we have this rejection from this daily support, we have daily support here. So there's possibility the market might pull back here. So if you go to your 4 hours time frame, all right, this was the rejection. Yeah, this was the rejection that happened. Okay, and where is our breakout here? Our breakout happened here. It happened here. So this area is a what? Liquidity area the market can use, and use this area for what? For the buy. So I have 2 areas for this buy. I have 2 areas for this buy. So now let's zoom and see. Now on 4 hours, so what I'm going to do now is to mark out our trend line like this. Pick your trend line from that level, extend this way. It should give you minimum of 2 touches, something like this. Okay, good. So this is our what? Our 40. Look at the way we pick this. From this area, rejection here. We have a nice rejection here. All right, so all I want to see now is if market can pull down to this area. It's going to make a lot of sense. Something like this. Something like this. Then we go for what? Buy to the trend line here. Okay, so the reason why I put alerts here, all right, is because of market might decide to continue pushing from this area. Let's go back to daily. So now we have a bias around here for market to come and use this area for a what? Continuation here. All right, don't forget. So if you go back to your 1 hour daily, so if you go back to our daily, okay, we need to understand how markets, understanding each candles, what they stand to represent. When we have this like a tweezer bottom here, these 2 guys, market give us this indecision candle. So this indecision candle is a player that doesn't have a clear direction. Maybe it should push up to the upside or it should push down. So market is rejecting from this level, which is signifying that we might have a push to the downside. And at the same time, it can actually stand for what? A push to the upside. So there are two ways about it. So if this guy wants to push for what? For a buy, then that means this present candle should keep buying. Alright, that is why I have bias on this our 4S zone, which is this area for market to reject here to give us like what? Double bottom. Okay, and this is the setup for it. Let me show you. When market created this support, this is a liquidity here. The market give us a nice rejection and we have a break to the upside. It break this high. So market can come here and use this area, reject and buy. So if you go to your 1 hour time frame, 15S is going like crazy. Which one is 15S? So now this one now, we have this, this was the rejection. Like I told you, this was the rejection on the 4 hours, right? And this was the high that was created before. Market break it. It broke it. All this one is liquidity. Engineer liquidity, inducement leg before we have this higher high. So we want market to push down to this our 1 hour support area. Look at this area to push back to this area before we can begin to go for a buy. Are you getting me? So that is why I said I have a bias here for a buy and I have a bias here for a buy. So there are two zones, but the immediate one that market is likely to use is actually this guy. So let's see, maybe if we connect our trend line from this low, let's see if we connect it this way. No, this trend line is not gonna work. It might give us a break, a fake out. It might give us a fake out. And I want you to take note of what happened here. We have this range here. Now look at this area. You see the way market consolidates here, market consolidates here, market consolidates here. Before we have a break here, before we have a break here, before we have a break here. So market can come back here. Once we have a confirmation inside this range, we are going to take a buy to this our trend line as our TP. Are you guys following me? But if you don't see a proper pullback around here, we are going to wait. Go back. We are going to wait. Are you clear, guys? So that is what we are going to do. So we have two areas for this. Okay. So what pair was that again? That was V10, and we have alert there. So somebody said 15S. Which one is 15S? Let's check the 15S. No, go and use the other one. Make I know they give na this thing now. 15S is going like crazy. What is the crazy here? Market day here say it dey go crazy. What's crazy? What is crazy about this one? Market never even give us 1 to 1. No give us 1 to 2. No, it's nothing crazy. I'm not be Jeffrey Benson. I be Abby. You understand? I'm not like them. Don't be market say market they push. I go to talk. So yeah, what's your this thing? You're in massive profit. Which massive profit? I know what I'm risking now. So market never give me waiting at the risk. So there's nothing good about the massive. That's a good spread truth, bro. Okay. It needs to be massive when I have at least 1 to 2. I don't get time so of what I risk. Then I can say we are in massive profit. But say we still there below that. Come on, forget. So guys, please let's start. Step 300. Global. Kilo shele. 300. Long. 300. Okay, let's go check it. Let's go check it. So I will be recommending one chart for you guys if you want to do back testing. If you want me to recommend one for you, which is very free, it's better than go charting. It's better than, you can use it to do your normal analysis. It's the same chart with like deriv, but it's even better than the deriv because they have higher time frame like monthly, weekly. So if you want me to recommend it, let me hear you say, yeah. Step index. Yeah. Step 300. Yeah. Just say yeah. Please, let's keep tapping. Just say yeah. Myself. Let's clear the chat. Wait time. Okay. Only two people say yeah. All right. No need them. Let's go ahead, Jerry. 3 months. No need them. Make I go research am online by yourself. All right. So step index 300. We have this nice push. Okay. We have a high, low, higher low, then new higher high. Simple, clean, simple and clean. So let us go to our monthly. You don't need to draw anything here. Monthly time frame. So this is what we have on monthly time frame. As you can see, market give us a nice support here with a double rejections here, which is our MS. Okay, which is our MS, and market did what? We have this daily monthly resistance that becomes our what? Our support, which is MS as well. So what this means is market respects this area twice, giving us equal low here before we have a break here, before we have a break here. So this is the external range and this is the internal. This is the external, this is the internal. Market broke both of those zones. So let's go to our weekly. So this is what we have on our weekly time frame. As you can see, market looks like it's consolidating here, but it's not really a consolidation market. We have equal lows here, like I said. This high, market break it. But before market break it, market was moving very slow around there, high, low, high, inside all the zone before market took out the external range right here. So if you look at the external range, we have a nice order block right here before we have this impulsive move to the upside. So if market can actually pull back to this area, it's going to make a lot of sense. Or do you think market is ready to do that? That we don't know yet. So on this our monthly, weekly, you see that we have a nice bullish candle right here. Then last week candle give us a bearish candle. So for market to give us this bearish candle, market has automatically created a resistance level here that give us as weekly resistance. So what this means is anytime market gets here and we have a break, we continue our buy from there. All right, but we have open and close here. Okay, and this week, okay, this candle is giving us a tiny wick here. The market can still come back to this area. So let's see. Daily is going to make it clear for us. So now on our daily time frame, this is what we got. All right, beautiful. So we have this nice support area here that market created, and it gives us a nice rejection, which is our DS. You guys follow, which is our DS. Then from here, this was the high. This was the high that was created before market break it. When market broke it, it now rejects from that area this candle rejects from the support area and they keep pushing to the upside. But guess what? When we have this rejection, this becomes our what? Liquidity. So one market to come back to this extreme, reject from here, then we buy. Do you understand? So now this zone, we have a daily rejection. So what do I want to see? I want to go to my 4 hours time frame to see how we have the breakout. So let's go to 4 hours. So this is what we have on 4 hours time frame. Okay, so on this our 4 hours, this was the rejection that took place. And where is our breakout? Where do we have our change of character? This high is our change of character. Market break this high, series of high, and this external high, market broke them out. Okay, like I said, this leg is now and what? Inducement leg. This area is what? Inducement area that I'm going to be marking. So this is my liquidity here. So that is our what? Liquidity area. So I want market to come back to this area, then we buy from there. You understand? Then we go what? We buy from this area. So why we do that? You see the way market is dropping. So let's go to daily. Charts don't lie. Keep your vision clear. So now, because we have a bias that this guy is going to drop, all right, I want to see market break below, but we have a support area here that is holding the market. Market is holding, this guy is holding this zone, giving us a double rejection. Okay, giving us a double rejection. So if you go to your 4 hours, I don't want to mark it so that there will not be too much of this thing there. So here, if you connect your trend line, let's say from here, this is our what? 40. All right, good. So this 40 is a nice trend line right here, giving us this pullback from here, and now market is ready to what? To keep dropping. So let us zoom, but we need to be very careful with what is going on there, because that daily area is very is a very key area that can push the market. So we have what is support here with this nice rejection. Then we have a push breaking this high to the upside. So we're supposed to see market reject here and pull up, but market decides to break this guy, giving us a lower low. We now have a lower high. Now this is a lower high, so market is on the way to break down. So if you mark your fib level from this high to this low, you see that this is a golden zone area that market came to reverse from, and now it's dropping. Okay, and now it's actually doing what? It's actually dropping to the downside. So let's go to 1 hour and see more. So this is our what? Our 1 hour time frame. And if you look at this 1 hour time frame, we have this beautiful trend line from this guy as well. If you draw your trend line like this way, beautiful. So this guy is going to be better. All right, so let me take this guy out so that it will not look rough. This 1 hour trend line is going to be better for a continuation. All right, it's going to be what? Better for the continuation. So let's go back to that 4 hours. Let me remind you something. You know, I told you that market has given us a pullback and now it's dropping. So around there, market has already created a support here, giving us a nice CLT. So market can actually push up to this area and drop again. So pushing up to that area is now where you now go back to your 1 hour and see what we have. So this is our 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, you see that we have a lower low, lower highs, higher low, higher high, breaking all this high, breaking down this high, right? Before market still do this low high, then we have this lower high, lower low, but it's not lower than this. You have this lower high. Now market is giving us a kind of equal low right here. Okay, market is rejecting from this area. So I want market to push up to do something like this. You see this area is not going to be where you should be looking forward to what to sell from. This is our 1 HR, which is going to give us what we call head and shoulder. Head here, this is shoulder. So we want to see another shoulder here. Okay, why? Because this is what our inducement leg, liquidity right there. So this area is going to be our what? Liquidity. So it's not going to be with confirmation. So if market come back here, wait for confirmation, like bearish engulfing candle, then drop yourself. So if you don't have the mind, all right, of taking yourself all the way to this liquidity, let me show you. This liquidity that we mark, don't forget this liquidity here. If you don't have the mind to take your TP there, you can take your TP to this leg. This leg here, the market failed, the market has not taken out. You just wait here, come, then take this guy out. So you still make good money right there. So I don't know how volatile this guy is. This is the pair, please. Look at it here. This is the pair below here. Step index 300. So I don't actually know how this pair is. Maybe it's very volatile because I've not traded before. I've not. So if you know it's volatile, let me know. 30 cents per move. Okay. 30 cents per move. All right. So we can come back to this guy maybe later in the day. Okay. If I see the setup, of course, I'm going to drop it. Or I can even drop it for my guys. Let me go and drop this guy here. So let me go and drop this. Step 75 index. Okay, I'm coming. Let me drop this one. Step 300. Please, let's keep tapping. Short bias. All right, so it has been posted on the free Telegram group now. Okay, good. It has been posted now. So when market gets to that zone, I will know, because I'm going to stay focused and see.
Build a strong patience, pace. Let your winners run. The race ain't over.
Please, the link to your Telegram group. The link is on my bio, sir. All right, V75. The link is on my bio. If you're finding it difficult, just copy the link and paste it on your browser. So this is, let's go to V75.
Turn the pressure into priceless high. Ratio true, profitable mindset. Every time.
The link is on my bio, Precious.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't forget it. Stay disciplined, that's what champions get. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Breakthrough seasons get near. One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless high. Radio profitable mindset every time.
I'm on this color, don't make sense.
Hearts don't run
Please, let's keep tapping.
keep your vision clear. Every single
So we are on break even on this trade already. So this is the V75.
race, let your winners run. The race ain't over till
We are on break even.
hold your faith, don't trade with fear. Your breakthrough season
Let's check this 150. You never hit our SL.
move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless.
This guy never hit our SL. Oh God. Oh. Okay, it's bouncing back. It's trying to reject from the 1 hour. What did they do network now? Airtel has been bad since 2 days ago. Now we don't now MTN account they use since that time. Now MTN one can they do something again. So we have a low here, and this is second low. So this is an inducement leg when we have a push inducement II. So market has taken it out. Now it's rejecting here. So if this guy can buy, then we are good. We are still going to be safe, but let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So let's check the BTC again. Maybe if New York section joins, we might have the crazy move on BTC. Maybe. I think network wants to be bad now. Network. Babe, how is the Airtel? Is it going well? The Airtel, is it going well now? Very well. Very well. I'm thinking of switching back to Airtel because it's like MTN want to continue their this thing now. So this guy will keep extending on. So before we can be safe from this trade, until we have a break above this our 1 hour resistance level above here, Once I have a candle close above it, then we are going to do our break even, and I'm going to add another position, and we are going to extend this guy to this our WR. That's what I'm going to do, and we are going to extend it. We extend this guy to this our WR. Okay, so it's either is better for market to come and take us out now, or you follow what you want to do. Okay, if you follow it, then we are good. Please, let's keep tapping. How do you take and change it all, you know? All your favors, everything, seasons getting there, and change my life. Turn the pressure into past, into your truth. Babe. Babe. Show up now.
I'm busy.
Busy doing what?
Don't know.
On your hotspot, let me connect. Let me see. Maybe it's going to be okay. Maybe I will use Airtel. MTN is slow. Let me connect. Is he on? Are you sure? Let me quickly connect. Airtel is back. Are you sure the network is okay? Wow, the network speed of Airtel is very poor. It's not even loading. It's not even loading. Let me go and use the MTN back. It's not loading at all. MTN is better.
Keep your vision clear.
Every setback
Build a stronger you. Patience, grace, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
Hey, Omo,
Every loss is
can you
just a
just imagine? See
lesson
network.
in living. Stay disciplined, that's where champions begin. Trust your plan. Let the market flow.
Why network they do like this? Abala, what's up now? How are you doing, sir? It's been a while. Yes, sir. Which side you doing? Which side you doing? Which side you doing? Alasa, okay. What's going on with network now? Are they battle with network here? My trading view no dey open. Trading view no dey open. This thing dey open, the trading view this thing dey open, but the chart no come open. Let me turn it. I don't understand. If network is bad, you no suppose open like this. So why the chart no come open now? It should load. Thank God say no be say they I want take one trade. And this one go come dey do like this. It's gonna be frustrating, you know. Maybe the Airtel is bad now. Look at how slow it is. Very, very slow. Look at that. Very, very slow. Very, very, very slow. And this is the same thing. Okay. Oh my God. Why would you have two network, Airtel and MTN, no con dey work? Let me to load this thing. No. Are you going now? I'm going to dress up now. Is it? I don't know what's going on with this network. Seriously. The TikTok network is okay, but it's not. If the network is not strong enough, your trading view go dey mess up. That's just it. I don't change the distance. It's not going through. But my TikTok, I know everybody can hear me, but it's not going well. Network is so bad. Ratio to profitable mind. Please, let's keep tapping. I think I'm going to change. This thing they open now. Everybody here, is your trading view open? Can you access your trading view? Can you access your trading view? If you can, somebody say no. You cannot access. If you can access it, please let me know. The main card is not opening. But on the watch list is loading very well. But the main chart is not opening. So this one, I'm not sure it's network problem. I'm not sure. It's not opening. The main chart is not loading. Maybe they are working on their side. I don't know. If you can access your trading view, please let me know in the comment box. Somebody said no. Okay, I guess it's trading view. I tried to use my phone now. It's not opening too, but now it has opened here. Okay, Big Danny said no. So I think they are having issue. It has opened here now, but on my phone it's not opening on my phone. So let me see, maybe another one will open now. Yeah, since it's not only me. Yeah, DVN. I think it's trading view. Let me open this one now and see. I think it's trading view. It's not only me. I think it's trading view. I have another platform now that I said I want to introduce to you guys. That you can do your back testing and you can even use it to do your normal analysis. It's called Bravron. It's called Bravron. Hey, what's up, my brother?
Good.
Your trading view to know the open, Abi?
No, you know they open. Other places they open, but the chat no dey open.
Yeah, the chat know they open. So this is the one I'm talking about. This is Bravron. So you can do your back testing on this Bravron. You can do a lot of things on this Bravron. A lot of things on this Bravron. A lot. Are we buying V50 now? Are we on buy on V50?
Okay, we're gonna check it out.
Let me see. Are we buying V50? Oh, smart. So Bravron is the name. You can do back testing there, and you can use it to analyze you anything. It's very, very okay. Okay, yeah. We are buying V50. We are buying V50.
The chat has opened.
It has opened from your end. You see. I think it's not only. It is from trading view. It has affected Bravron too. Look at what Bravron is saying. They say, "Be right back. We are upgrading our system to bring you a better experience. Please check back in a few minutes." Something that just opened now. So I think it is from trading view. Is a general issue from them. I think they are working on it. They are working on it. So it might tell us to update. I will go and check. Maybe we need to update. I will go and check. Maybe we need to update. Okay, somebody said I should spell it. Is it you know they open or? You know they open. So this is the name. Bravron. Beaveron. Okay. So let me see. Maybe I need to update this thing. Trading View is upgrading. They are upgrading their system. They are upgrading their system, so we need to be patient. Trading view. You see, they say I should update, so I want to update it now. I'm updating it now. I'm updating the trading view now. Big Dan. Waiting there now. So on YouTube, please just let us be patient. YouTube, let us be patient. Let me quickly update.
Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Profitable minds.
Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping.
Every loss is just a lesson, don't give in. Stay disciplined, that's what champions begin. Trust your plan, let the market flow. One good trade can change it all, you know. Hold your faith, don't shrink with fear. Your breakthrough season's getting near.
Once words move can change your life. Turn the pressure into-
What is the app about?
Which app?
This what is it?
Brave Run. It's just a normal chat now. You can do your back testing on it. You can do your back testing and you can use to analyze.
The app is not on Apple Store.
Go to their site. From there, you install. You understand? From their site, then you can install.
So, is it working the same as TradingView?
The same as Derif.
Derif. Okay. I will check.
And they have higher time frame, like monthly.
Okay. Is it? Are we going to pay or
It's free.
it's free?
It's free.
Okay.
They have journal there too.
Let me download it.
Okay. You do office.
No, I just come check one car.
You want buy car?
No, I can't check car. I can't check car.
You want buy car?
I can't check. My check you want to.
Change your cover a motor.
Was it that way?
You know, if you can't check car, it's either you want buy for somebody or somebody send you or something.
I just want check how neat the car is. So I don't know what I decide to yet.
Okay. Go to their site, their normal site.
On Google, right?
On Google, normal site. I'm afraid if you know one green install, okay, don't install. Kilo de latte kan.
Odewa, abi mo spell it like that.
VEA.
VRON, abi.
Let me show you. BEA VE.
Okay. VE.
Can you see?
Okay. System update is progress.
Yes, they are updating their this thing.
Okay.
Even though TradingView too, they are updating. See, TradingView too, no, they open.
I don't know what's happened to that TradingView.
No, they upgrade their this thing. They are upgrading. That is why.
They suppose they do that thing overnight.
They upgrade them. You know, agree open now.
I don't backtest synthetic indices. I don't backtest and backtest. In fact,
how you can see them?
For my backtest, I have like 5% rates.
5%.
I just said
5% of 10, Abi.
No, we read over 100.
Kilo de low. It's low now. You don't understand?
It's low. No, the system I trade is not working on there.
You need to
You understand?
you need to recreate for deriv totally.
My sense in your bro. If I don't get the time, I go, because the system I'm trading now is like both trend and reversal.
Trend and reversal. Okay.
Like now, now that everybody are selling BTC now, I'm buying BTC.
Who they sell BTC?
BTC is on downtrend on the higher time frame.
No, I know, but at the moment nobody go buy, nobody go sell. At the moment,
I'm buying.
And now why they talk? Say at the moment nobody go they sell now. People will be going for buy now. People go for buy now.
You know, eat TP since Friday.
It be resistance zone come back. I go open and now. Look yen. Kò tí débẹ̀ ara. That weekly resistance level.
No. Daily resistance level.
It go still align around that weekly to that monthly. I go open and now. You see, now you don't come back to my entry here. This is the BTC.
Okay. I picked my first entry down here. Yes. My second entry is where your trend line starts.
Yeah. So this is the high I wanted to get to. Yeah.
No, this is where your target is. You understand? This is where my target is.
Your target. So
I'm shorting from that zone.
You are shorting from here.
From that area. I swear.
I'm on my risk gone.
No, it's not risky.
Okay.
In fact, that zone they are even increase my
your lot size.
Increase my lot size.
Okay. God will help you.
By 4x.
God will help you.
By 4x.
Oh my God. TradingView open now.
Use that TP there. Okay, you know, say poor connection.
Is this thing. TradingView, they never finish the updates. I don't know.
So
they never finish the updating. If market should break this high, you see this is our target that I want to sell from. I'm extending this my TP here.
Oh yeah, now.
I'm extending. But I want it to break here. Once it break, I'm going to extend this. I will add another position right here to the upside. I think it's back now. Let's go to daily. If this thing open now, let's see. Maybe it go open.
Maybe like from 4 hours.
The thing said no open, no open.
If you look at the external break of structure in 4 hours, you will understand that place that wants to sell from is likely to move.
Now look at this. Why are you putting all this paper there? What is all this now, Jesse? What is the meaning of that? You want to turn that place to dustbin?
If this TP, it will be my 6th TP on BTC, back to back.
That's good. So we expect market to push up to this area. If you go to your weekly time frame, it is a weekly bias. I'm following the weekly time frame bias. If market should reverse from where it is now, then that means it might keep dropping to the downside. Trading view now. Why are you guys doing this today? If you can access your trading view, let me know, guys. If you can access it. The trading view is very, 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 very slow. So this is my bias for this guy. All right, on weekly time frame, we have a resistance level here that got rejected here. The market created another resistance level here. We have this bearish candle last week, and this present week is giving us a bullish candle. This bullish candle, I expect it to come and reject from this weekly. So if market wants to sell, this is what I will be selling from. I'll be shorting from this area. If I see opportunity from here, then I can short this weekly resistance level. So that is a very key level here. So that daily, all those areas is just like inducement area to that point. Are they access? Are they access? If they access, if they open smoothly, Kemzi.
Good day, sir.
Hi, I greet you.
This is BTC.
This your name. You look like female name, man. What's the meaning of Kemzi?
Kemzi is just the same meaning with my main name, Noble. Like wise and how would I put it? Something that is big.
Because that Kemzi, now people when they bear Kemi, they feel they use Kemzi like female name.
I'm just wearing it because it has the same meaning with my name, Noble.
Noble. Okay. You're welcome, sir. How you doing?
Fine. This is BTC, right?
Yes.
Can I take this to it because the thing is still at the end?
Yes, you can join us. Market has come back to the entry. You can join us.
Okay.
So that we go follow Chop DSL. No laugh. You know what Chop SL? You know what Chop SL? Everybody know what Chop SL. Now only TP everybody want Chop. Yeah. Our brother authority, they said, he has been killing BTC back to back 6 times in a row. That's very good.
But I have set up on BTC.
Where are you selling from?
Go to 4 hour time frame. Let me show you.
This is 4 hours.
Okay. Reduce the screen. This zone now.
Yeah.
This place that this arrow is. No, this one.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Somewhere, yeah.
This is where I want to sell from,
yes.
Abi?
Yes.
Hey now. Many people will have sell buyers around here. Let's see what will happen when market get there.
Because in with SFC strategy, there's a clear break of structure there and a clear liquidity with another block in your 1 hour time.
Okay, clear of what do you call it? Speak it one by one.
Break of structure. There is a break of structure there.
Yeah, Abi.
No, down.
Yeah. Or
No,
this
same
low.
break of structure.
This okay.
Down.
Week. You
this
use
last
week. This week.
Yes.
Okay. You have break of structure.
And
Okay.
it break the body candle. If this one go now, this will be the third time I'm getting in BTC from last week.
From last week, Abi.
Yes.
Okay. So here a break of structure.
Here is the break of structure. Then go to one hour time. Let me map the liquidity for you.
Let's see.
1 hour.
Maybe the thing go open. Let's see. Maybe we no go take time.
Keep your vision. Every setback.
They are updating their server. No, Trading View. Trading View is working on their this thing. You see, it's not loading. I don't click on move.
Okay.
You don't load now.
Go back.
Yeah,
And the liquidity.
This
yes,
one?
and it have already streamed the liquidity.
Okay, so you just make it tap here and sell.
Make it tap. Yes.
Okay. I'm seeing
As
BTC.
you get-
I'm
get
seeing
back
I'm
why
seeing
you-
BTC
this
getting
why-
here.
This last hour down.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
I got this. No, the second one, the last one.
Yeah.
I got that buy. And
From here.
You guys, yesterday night you hit my TP for that liquidity.
For the liquidity, Abi.
Yeah, my TP in that liquidity. So.
And now they make money for BTC. Oh.
BTC just clear.
Okay, just clear.
Yes.
We know they make anything. Now I said we they chop for BTC. Oh.
I have prefer BTC to other pair. Even I prefer BTC to gold just because gold they give more profit than BTC.
Why did you say so?
Gold, okay. Number one, gold respects hustle. We all know that. But BTC, let me say according to my strategy, because I trade SMC. BTC give all this thing. Respect SMC strategy.
Okay.
Other strategy because sometimes I do add the price action.
Okay.
But my main strategy is SMC.
SMC.
Yes. So, but to the recent movement of it since last week.
Yeah.
If can you return to that 4 hour time frame?
Celebrity, we are coming. I might no return to any time frame again after this one. The thing no dey load.
No wahala.
This thing no dey slow. Okay, don't open now. All right, here we go. Are you there?
Go back.
Here we go.
This place now, this second album.
For up or down?
Up, this second album for up.
Yeah.
Down of it. No, this for one. No, this back.
This
back,
is what did
back,
I tell you? Yeah.
Back.
Inside.
That was my
Go
first
inside.
order block.
Yeah, Abi.
There was my first order block.
This one, Abi.
The next one.
Okay.
Then see the first break of structure was the down break.
Yeah.
That small break of structure there.
Yeah.
Yes, that was the first break of structure. Then the first entry was the next one.
This one, Abi.
Yes, that was my first entry. Then
To the downside.
My TP was the next liquidity, that the next break of structure.
Yeah.
Yes, that was the TP.
I took the sale.
Yes.
You two took
Then
it.
I got a buy from this back. This one back. Go back.
Yeah. Yeah.
Go back. Yes. That other block there.
This other block here.
Yes.
The break of structure, yeah, Abi.
The break of structure was up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the break of structure that created that gave that other block.
And this is
But I
liquidity.
noticed that was a short buy because already the market was bearish.
Bearish.
And if you mark this other block now,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
see that yes, that candle is another block candle.
This bearish candle.
Yes,
Okay.
the last candle that triggered the.
Where do you now take your TP?
The TP was in my liquidity before my second sell entry. Down. Those two candles together, the other side.
Yeah.
No, we have not get to there. The back now.
Yeah.
Back, up small. Yeah, down small. Yes, there. That was my liquidity. So that was my TP.
Yeah, but yeah. Where did you enter from? You know the candle here is very big. Please, let's keep tapping.
You know, this candle is very, very big. But when you get to 15 and 1 hour time frame.
Okay, yeah.
I take myself from 1 hour.
For 1 hour. Okay. You find that.
50% of that candle.
Of that candle. Okay.
To economize my entry.
You now took it to
Then
this
I
guy.
took my second sell from this other block up.
The second
the
sell.
other one.
Yeah. Okay, up. Wait.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. That other block. That's why I took my second sell.
The second sell, yeah.
Yes, which is this sell now. Yes, which is that sell.
Okay.
So I'm waiting for the third.
The third one. Make market come here now.
Yes.
Make it sell from here now.
That's why I'm taking my trade from now.
You be tifo.
I know the thing.
No, now.
That's just
You know what I say? All SMC traders, if you sabi SMC, na the same entry na go dey use, the same area, the same tip na go dey use.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Anybody when they get otherwise from this thing now,
what's funny is I don't trade SMC, but all the way you take explain this thing, you understand? I took all the setup one by one and go to 4 hours. Let me show you.
I know they change time frame, only this 4 hours. Now 4 hours with this so.
Okay, I know. You see this 4 hours. This first entry, this first sale that it took.
This one, yeah.
No, up there. No, up.
Yeah.
Up. Yes. You see, markets come to tap that 4 hours on mitigated zone.
You take them.
You take them. Sell to the downside. Then when markets reverse back to the upside, you understand? If you switch to daily time frame, you will see daily unmitigated zone again. That's why I took my second sell. Drop again. That another 10 RR. So
wait. You see they catch your 10 RR.
Yes now.
I said you be baba. You they make money now. You don't have any problem.
No, wait. Should be main retail. I drop all the setup for group. Why they with main retail.
Okay.
So if as this one now, you see this last break of structure, this last break of structure.
Yes.
No. Last one. Calm down.
Yeah.
This week, I count this as my break of structure. You understand?
Okay.
So after break of structure, markets go to the upside. If inducements come back to tap this 4 hours week. Yes. As it have that one is 1 to 14, but 1 to 10 is done already.
You took it.
So selling to the upside. So immediately that this break of structure, this is that your trend line.
Yeah.
Like start with your trend line. Yeah. So if you go to 15 minutes, you will see unmitigated breaker block there.
You took it. You take out too.
I took it. So that one too now. Not 10 RR.
So Kemzi, why you want take this one now? Is this your SMC? Why you want take this one now?
No, this is not SMC.
Why you want take am?
This is price action now.
Okay, now why you want take this one now?
Yes, because now price action.
Okay.
If I'm going to take this,
anyone I don't understand, I don't take it.
You don't take it. Okay.
So actually,
Jesse, don't do it here. You know I talked to you the other time, Jesse.
And the reason I say I think I did trade only bit.
Go inside.
Because if you want buy, I go buy. If you want sell, I can sell.
My brother.
This last revise now to the third entry. It gets to buy why it takes there.
Which one? Yeah.
Close it. Just reduce the distance. Let me show you something. Reduce it totally. This is 4 hours, right?
No, 1 hour, 1 hour.
Okay, this is 1 hour.
Yeah.
Like the way I took that second buy to my liquidity, to my sell side liquidity. Are you getting me?
Yeah. Thank God. Ibla said this thing don't do okay now. Oh yeah, but more round up. Yeah, where?
Leave it in this 1 hour. The way I took that buy in that second sell distance to that my sell liquidity.
Okay, the sell, Abi.
Yes, the way I took that buy.
Okay, the buy, yes.
Yes, this buy.
I'm gonna let it load. Yeah.
Yes, then there was another buy. This last arrow now. This down arrow. Go back. That place. No, you are going front.
Yeah.
This down arrow now. Yeah. There's another block there. But I got miss entry. Go front.
On that one.
I got miss entry. Then I took. I then took it. This thing now.
This was the miss one, Abi.
Yes, no, like this, that one, the second one. This your green arrow now, it was the full distance, the full other block in 4 hour time frame. So get it to my 1 hour time frame refinement. I then reduce it, so the thing gave me miss entry. Then I then took price action entry. That is this second week. This second week, yeah. No, not that last one, the middle one. Yes, this second week I got a key level there. Then this last one triggered it and went to the liquidity. That's my TP, the sell side liquidity.
Wow. Now they make money, you guys.
Because there's a QM out there. If you understand price action.
What is QML?
At my boss, percentage new price action don't really tell me those things. Now just in SMC, I understand SMC 100%, but price action, my boss for price action, don't really explain all those things to me.
Wow. So you can go and check that Brevon now. It's supposed to open now because this thing is loading back now. I think it's okay now. It's okay now. So now only BTC you dey trade. Kemzi, is this your first time joining my live stream? Jared, don't do it here. Don't do it here.
For like months now, since April.
Since April, wow, thank you so much. So what is it called? Now only BTC you dey trade.
No, I dey trade BTC, GBP/USD, EUR/USD, and gold. Only these 4 pairs.
Okay, how you dey cope with all this news? They affect you.
Sometimes it hard to trade news, but if you understand your strategy well, it no go hard you.
No, it's not about strategy, bro.
Example, okay,
No. That word is incorrect. Jared, take it back. No matter the strategy, fundamental doesn't care about any strategy. You understand what I'm saying?
Okay.
It doesn't care about any strategy. So it's not about maybe if you understand it well. It's about, did it really affect you? You understand?
Yes.
So maybe you dey try to avoid when there's news, but I don't think you can avoid.
News.
Yeah, I know. But there's no how you can avoid all this unforeseen spike that will just happen.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe Baba just tweet something that is not even part of. No, that is not manipulation. No. It's not manipulation. People always say there's nothing like manipulation there. It's just about something that happened on the ground. Maybe Baba dropped a tweet or something that will affect the market.
There's nothing like manipulation.
No.
In a situation whereby you got your analysis, your top-down analysis, right?
Yeah.
Then market then snipe your SN and go to your TP.
That is not manipulation.
What are we going to call it?
It's not manipulation. There might be just Danny, I don't understand. It might be a wrong point of entry
Analysis.
point. Yes.
Okay.
To me, when they say manipulation, right, is brokers that can do all these manipulations.
Is that okay?
Your broker that will do the manipulations by themselves.
SLF.
But the main market, the FX will go, no, nothing like that. Market is market. Now all these brokers, all these liquidity providers. What do you say?
I said all those snipe SL and go to TP is a wrong stop loss level that cost it.
No, is brokers. You see, that's what I'm saying, that all these brokers, all these liquidity providers, now then they do the manipulation for market.
Okay.
Market day as in day.
Okay.
You will see some, especially now why me I know I go call them and no be today. Now why I know like Xness.
I know they use Xness now. FBS are they use.
So if you use Xness, you go down experience many things about the market. Many things. That is why to find even though if you go through baby pips, go and learn more about brokers. How all these guys operate, how they make money, how they manipulate. You will see their secrets there. All this thing is under baby pips, yes. So now then they manipulate market. But when it comes to synthetics, I know that one, say synthetics is just like wait till I feel call myself. Scripted something. It's just like scripted stuff. So they can easily manipulate this one. But sometimes on currency pairs, you will just realize that markets will take you out and you put your asset in a well protected place, thinking that market no go get there. Market just take you out and boom. And you can check another broker. Market no even reach that level at all. It's the work of the brokers. I will like if you can be coming up, okay, all the time. So your analysis on BTC. Let's see how can I say it? How we can work together on that as well. We grow together as a trader here. But why is it that SMC traders, and I know they people they always come for you guys. They will say SMC traders, they are very proud. SMC traders be like Chelsea fans.
We take them and say SMC the overall strategy for this trading of it.
Yeah.
Now the overall, then any other thing is inside that SMC.
Hey, now you see him now, and it's wrong. Now why somebody like me and other people know they agree? You understand? It's wrong. Do you understand? Because when you say SMC, normally everybody knows okay, the normal structure market they do high low.
Yes.
Market take this low out, he use this. It's just normal stuff where everybody they do. Sometimes if I'm analyzing, some people will say
and price action traders don't drag this thing with me. Okay, coming to this my last buy.
Yes.
BTC.
Yes.
As I get me sent for that this thing for my SMC strategy, I then use price action get my other entry. You see, inside that SMC, you get price action entry.
Yes.
So SMC na the overall. Yes.
Na the overall.
You may think that maybe it's not, but for me, SMC is the overall.
How did they bring about SMC? Maybe from normal support and resistance. So support and resistance is the overall now.
Support and resistance now.
And now it be the overall. Not the SMC.
Yeah, support and resistance are like demand and supply.
It just be like demand and supply. It be like the other block, the breaker block.
Yes.
You understand? So it is the main umbrella is you buy from your support level, you sell from your resistance level. What is the difference from that SMC we did now? I hear they go say he took one liquidity out. He did, different kind of because I get one friend. This guy is actually doing well. So if this guy they do normal pure price action with trend line, just normal this thing, is very good and is making a lot of money. If you see the way they bombast SMT traders, sometimes if you just enter play, you go say SMT traders can enter play like this. Back to back. But seriously, all strategy are very good. All of them.
Yes, they are very good.
All of them.
No doubt.
Be it SMC, be it ICT, be it MSN now, anything at all. It just depends on how you go about it and your psychology behind it. Your psychology behind it as well.
Okay.
I'm on this thing, man. It is well. It is well. Have you tried to check statistics?
I do something. I'll come back.
Okay. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's see this guy. Maybe he's still going to push. I think he's still rejecting from that area. He's still rejecting from that area. He's still rejecting from this area. Let's see. So let's hope maybe this guy can push well. So this is the liquidity area here. Please, let's keep tapping. The market came to take out. All right, so with a lot of what? Patience. With a lot of patience. Why do we engage on this buy? If you go to your daily time frame, so this buy that I'm buying is a counter trend because the overall bias is bearish, right? Is a counter trend. So the reason for this buy is, number one, if you take note of what happened here, we have a support level right here that breaks structure to the upside. Can you see? It breaks this guy, giving us a change of character to the upside. All right, so this week's liquidity. Then yesterday, this is why I'm buying. Then yesterday we now have this support. We have this support area that this yesterday candle give us a nice rejection. It give us a nice rejection and it closed this way. And it's creating a support area here. So when I wake up this morning, I check. I saw my 4 hours. I realized that okay, this is what 4 hours is doing. 4 hours has already given us a low here. It has given us this high with a bullish engulfing candle. So when I saw this bullish engulfing candle here, I said, okay, I think it is time for this guy to keep buying. But in my mind, I know, all right, and you know that this is other block right here, this low here. Please, let's keep tapping. This is another block there, okay? You know me, I don't used to mark my this thing like that. So we have this other block right here, and I realized that we already have what? Bullish engulfing. So and I said, okay, yes, it's time to buy. We took the buy, and I put my SL right here because I know, right, the market can still come back. I went to my 1 hour. Let me show you on 1 hour. I went to my 1 hour. I realized that okay, market has already given me a nice structure here. Look at it from this area. We have a push, another low here. This is a liquidity here, then higher high to the upside. So when I take my buy here, that's why I put my SL here because there's high probability that market will come back to this area. So there are sometimes if you are trading, the reason for you using a big SL is not that maybe you just choose to use it. It is what the market is giving you and where you actually enter from. So normally if I wait for market to come back here, my SL will be small, right? And I'm going to be making a good out. But there are so many times that market will not come back. The market will not come back. Market can start when we have this high, low, market can start doing that high, lower high, higher low to the upside. That's how you're going to miss out. So if you decide to say, okay, let me take my buy from there, and you check your price, you see that okay, it's something that you can actually still take, all right, then make sure you put your SL in a well protected place. Don't say you want to put your SL here, that you want to make it small. No, market go take you out. You understand? So it's better you put it in a well protected place, and market come here and it's rejecting nicely. So if this guy now buy, then we are still good. But if market now take us out, then that means we are still good. Because even though for those people that take a buy from here, market still is going to take them out. So it's better you place your SL in a safe area. If you know you cannot wait for market to come here, you want to engage after you see that confirmation of 4 hours just like this, you take it. Because sometimes market might not come back. So that is why we took this buy. So we see. So this BTC, I'm still waiting. If this BTC can actually break above. So on this our entry point, now BTC has come back. So I told you that BTC is consolidating here. BTC is what? It's still consolidating inside this range. So if this guy should break above this resistance, then we are good. We are safe. Then we are safe. Okay? Please, let's keep tapping. So we are on V15. Okay, so this V15, this is what V15 is doing at the moment. Let's go to 4 hours. Turn pressure into priceless. What's the to every time. Please, let's keep tapping. Turn the pressure into priceless. Is you to profitable mindset every time. Every setback build a stronger you. Patience praise.
Let your winners run. The
Race ain't over till the goal is won. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. There's something I'm looking at this trade. Celebration into priceless. Is the answer for myself every time. One smart move can change your life. Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. Every time. Can this guy possibly sell from there again? Okay, well, it's a very nice TP. It's a very nice TP area. So once we have a breakout from there, I will continue buying. Once we have a breakout from here, we continue longing this guy. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. So we have a lot on V10. What is going on V10?
Charts don't lie. Keep your vision clear.
On V10 is already pushing now.
Setback.
Okay. He never come back. He never come back. So we're waiting patiently for this V10 to push back. Okay, to push back.
The race ain't over.
So the goal is V50.
Hold your faith, don't trade
This is
with
V50.
fear. Breakthrough seasons getting near.
One smart move can change. Step index 100 Abby. This is V50. We are buying V50.
Turn the pressure.
We are buying it to the upside. Look at it, sir. We are buying this guy to the upside. Okay. We are buying this guy to the upside, my brother. Step index 100, right?
Every loss is just a lesson, don't leave it. Stay disciplined, that's what champions begin.
Okay, so this is step index.
Trust your plan.
And the milk flow. All good train can change it all. You know. Alright, so let's go to 3 months. Let us pick this in from 3 months. Let's pick it from 3 months. So on our 3 month time frame, you see that we have a bearish candle, a bearish movement here, a low, lower high, and we have what? A break of structure to the downside, giving us this lower low. So market created this support level right here, and we have this rejection, double rejection from this guy. So there's possibility that we might have more drop to the downside. But before we can have this drop, what market is trying to do is trying to push to the upside. It's trying to reject from here. This present candle wants to reject from this level. Okay, so let's go to monthly. Now on our monthly time frame, look at the structure. You see that we have what? A lower low, lower highs, then we have this lower low. So from this lower low now, look at this long wick that market created right here, taking this wick out, taking this low out. Okay, and now we are having this bullish candle, and I have a trend line that I draw. If the market can actually break out from the trend line, then there's possibility that market will come back to this our zone, which is this guy. Okay, so there's possibility that market can still come back here, that can come and cause what? Equal highs. So come and give us what? Equal highs right there. Okay, so let's go to our weekly now. All right, so this is our weekly time frame. Okay, for the past 3 weeks, this guy has been bullish. Yes, I'm coming. Okay, so let's continue. So now, for the past how many weeks? 3 weeks, which is 1, 2, this is third one. Market has been what? Bullish. So over the 3 weeks, step index 100 has been bullish. So if you look at what we have here, you realize that we have a high low, change of character, higher low, higher low, before we have our change of character back to the downside. So our change of character happened right here, breaking this guy. Okay, so there's possibility that market might come back there before it continues selling. So which is this guy. These are what? Weekly resistance level. Our WR. Are you guys getting it? So if you mark your fib level from this high to this low, you see that that area is what? Our golden zone area. So from here, you can begin to look for what? Sell opportunity on lower time frame. So that has given us the bias that we might have more push to the upside. So now let's now go to our daily time frame. Please, let's keep tapping. Let's keep tapping. Today like is the poorest ever since I've been going live. Just imagine 13.8. Today's likes is the poorest. I really appreciate. Thank you guys. Adupe is the poorest. What did I change here? All right. So now on our daily time frame, you now realize that we have what? A bullish rectangle here. What is a bullish rectangle? This is how it looks like. When we have a push like this, the market starts consolidating. You see the market is consolidating here. So if market should break out, we break it out to this our weekly resistance level. Are you guys getting it? So this range is where market is what? Consolidating. Thank you so much, Vira. Please, let's keep tapping. This area, market has been consolidating in here. So until we have a proper break before we can take it back to this guy. You understand? Before we can take it back to that level. So this our MR. Let me just reduce. So let's now go to our 4 hours time frame now. It is the break we are waiting for. So now he has to break out from this trend line. So if market now break out from this trend line properly, then we are going to engage for a buy. We're going to engage for a long position around there. SL is going to be something like this. And we're going to target this high. You understand? So market must do what? Must break out. It must break out. Once we have a break, we take a buy. And if you look at what we have here, we have this nice trend line. This is 4 hours time frame. So we have this our 40. Okay, look at the way market has been bouncing. You have series of bounce here. All right, and what do we call this? This is what they call a pennant. Okay, this is what they call a pennant. So if market should break out, your this thing is going to be something like this. Put your SL below here, then you go to the top. Okay, then you push to the top. So after a breakout, I'm going to call out a buy on this guy. This is step 100. So let me put a lot there. So let me tell my guys that if market should break out here, take your buy position. So yeah, market did not use this area, so let us take them out. All these ones, take them out. Every setback, you the stronger, yeah.
Patience pays, let your winners run. The race ain't over till the goal is won. Hold your faith, don't trade.
You take a long position. Which side did you do, self?
One smart move can change your life. Turn the pressure into priceless highs. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
So this is my bias on this guy. Safe. So let me go and post this guy now. Step 100 to the free Telegram group. So you can watch out for that. Oh my goodness. Ini ada gunanya. Udah amat disturb masalah. Step 100. Use 1 to 2. Apply proper risk management. It will surprise everybody. Say we later came back with the assets that we'll be having now, the drawdown. Go shock everybody. But we are still ready for more drawdowns. We are very, very ready. Okay. So I think it's being posted now. As you can see. So that's it. It has been posted. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. So this is the Brave Run. Let me quickly open the Brave Run. Are they still working on it? Let's see. Okay, they are still working on their listings. They are still working on it. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio, and we go live every day, Monday to Friday. We live stream both YouTube and TikTok. So 9 a.m. Monday to Friday, weekend, Saturday and Sunday is anytime in the afternoon. Our VIP is $20 if you want to join, and 2-week subscription is $10 if you want to join. So far so good. On our VIP, we are having a 13 win back-to-back, week in, week out. But this present week now, we are running in loss. We are in a massive drawdown. Okay, so I think it's about 4% thereabouts. So all of our trade now, if most of them go well, we can still come back and we can still close this week with profits. So we don't know how far we can actually go at the end of the week. So that is that for the step. All right, that is that for the step. So if market get there, I've already put alert there. I'm going to engage. If market should break above, we are going to engage on this trade. So this guy now is we have how many hours left? 1 hour 12 minutes. Let me check the price of this thing first.
Turn the pressure into priceless high. Ratio to profitable mindset every time.
It's volatile, so it's not everybody that can take this trade, but you can actually break it down to your lower time frame, or if you see market breakout, you can wait for pullback so that you can have a good entry from there. You understand? You can have a good entry from there. You can have a good entry. Let me see. Here we have our support level with a rejection here. Market will reject here. Then is there any fresh zone here? No fresh zone. Let's go to 1 hour. On 1 hour time frame, we are having a nice low. Now we are trying to have higher high. Okay. So let's see. Please, let's keep tapping. So we have buyers on VTNS. Every time. So VTNS is not coming back to our entry because I actually want this VTNS to come back so that we can sell to this guy. Okay, so that we can sell. It's not coming back. It's not coming back. So which trade do you want us to check, family? You can send the request if you have any question. Okay. You can send a request if you have any questions. I'll be closing my live stream by 1 o'clock. AUD USD. Okay, AU. AUD USD. I have a buyer there. It's already playing out. I think I did these buyers over the weekend, and I told you guys that you should just wait for this guy to push back here and buy, and that is what this guy actually did. Can you see the way he pulled back to this area, and now he's buying? Stop. Okay, and now he's buying. So let's go to weekly. So like I said, my bias was for this guy to keep pushing to the upside. That is my bias, that this guy should keep pushing to the upside, all right, for the week. So now on daily, you will just see how daily candle close. Now you realize that we have when we have this low, we have this high, market break this low, significant low to the downside. Okay, so this is a liquidity, so market can come back here and sell. So we have the room to take more buys. Okay, so what you should just do now is take note of the way this candle close, this bullish candle. Okay, this bullish candle here, we have a closure here, that was yesterday, and this is the new candle that is just opened today. So you go to your 4 hours and continue your analysis from there. Okay, continue your analysis. Mind you, you're looking for what? More buys. And don't forget that this area is area of what? Inducement leg, for you to use this area for the sell. So if you look at the structure that we have here again, you need to be very careful. All right, on this our 4 hours time frame here, we have market take out this high to the upside, this significant low here. Okay, market take it out. All right, market can decide and do what? And drop from here. So what you just do is mark out this 4 hour resistance level. That is going to be your target, because market can start dropping from here. Mark this guy out. Do you understand? Mark that zone out, because market can start dropping from that point, this area. Can you see? So from here now, you can begin to look for what? Buying opportunity from this area. So how are you going to look for the buy opportunity? You can go to your 15-minute time frame directly and see what has been going on. So on 15 minutes, let's zoom. All right, so here we go. On 15 minutes, waiting stop here, we have a strong resistance that becomes support here. Which is our what? Our 15S. Can you see that area? This is our what? 15S. Okay. Market came in, it rejects nicely here. And you know this is daily time frame. We are only using this daily for just this thing. So now we already have what? A change of what? Character to the upside. Market has broke this high to the upside. So if you want to engage on this, you can just use your fib level, mark from this low. Check if there's no news. If there's news, please don't take any trade. But if there's no news, of course, wait for market to get to 50% range here, and you take your continuation for a buy. I'll be closing this my live stream now. Okay, and do this. Okay. You take your buy to this area. Okay, to that area, then you are out. Do you understand? That is on AUD USD. If you have any question, please let me know. Don't worry, we'll be doing more of we'll be checking currency pairs too. Okay, we'll be checking currency pairs too. Don't worry, guys. We'll be checking currency pairs. Assuming we check, we could have engaged on this buy. The buy that happened here, this area. Okay, because we have a bias there that I'm going to buy from here, but market has already done what it wants to do. Look at that. It pushed nicely to the upside. So if you want to do the continuation from here now to this area. Okay. So guys, if you have any question, please let me know. I'll be closing my live stream in a few minutes. So let me get prepared. So if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is on my bio. Try to join us. And if you want to join my VIP, it's $20 to join for monthly sub. The weekly is $20, $10 rather. So make sure you join us tomorrow by the grace of God. God is going to help us. We see how far we can. Maybe this week is actually going to be a good one or a bad one. Today is Wednesday. We have 2 days left, which is Thursday and Friday to go. So don't panic. Do not shake. So guys, I really appreciate you. God bless you. Make sure you enjoy yourself, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Take care, bye.